I'm going to show you how to clean, prepare and paint previously painted decking planks. It's vital to ensure that the surface and structure is in a suitable and dry condition. The pre-painted boards need to have a good scrubbing down with a sugar soap. Then rinsed off and dried. Check the boards to see if there's no decay or damage. Then you can use a wire wool brush to remove any flaky or loose paint. Then give them a light sanding down before you apply your paint. You can paint straight out of the can without no dilution. Leave for 4 hours under normal conditions before applying your second coat. It's advisable to take your shoes off for the first 3 weeks until it's completely cured. For more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.